Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching the two apps you plan to use. Open them now so they appear in Recents. Once done, swipe up or tap Recents to view app cards. Make sure navigation mode is set so you can drag. You need one app visible to begin, then tap its app icon in Recents and choose Open in Split Screen. This pins the first app to the top or left and prepares the second slot. That gets you into the split workflow immediately. Next, pick the second app to occupy the remaining pane. Tap it in Recents or the home screen and it appears instantly. Then adjust the divider. Drag it toward the app you want smaller. For multitasking, aim for 50/50. For video versus notes, try 70/30. Make sure to use the app icon in the split header to swap positions, open app info, or change to pop-up view. These actions let you balance visibility and interaction while keeping both apps active. To finish, drag the middle divider all the way to an edge to return to single app mode, or use the app icon menu to close one pane. If a pane becomes unresponsive, close both apps from Recents and reopen them. This clears transient glitches. Make sure to enable developer option, force activities to be resizable only if an app refuses split. Use it sparingly. If split still fails, reboot the phone and check for system updates to resolve persistent compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.